2012 Challenger, rated most appealing midsize sports car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, premium wheels, traction control, dual front airbags, air conditioning, front, cruise control, automatic stability control, keyless entry, climate control, AM/FM stereo radio, clock, power door locks, MP3 capability, trip computer, power windows, power seat, power driver mirror, low tire pressure warning, 4-piece floor mat set, telescopic steering wheel. Come take a test drive today.